If you charge clients for your strategic thinking, your job has an expiration date. By 2032, 80% of traditional consulting roles will be automated by AI agents. The AI agent market is exploding to $103 billion, and it's coming for strategy consultants, business analysts, and advisory firms first. This isn't a prediction, it's already happening. I learned this from Geoff Woods, founder of AI Leadership, who trains Fortune 500 executives on AI transformation. He showed me the 3 survival pillars that separate consultants who thrive from those who disappear. And I'm breaking down all 3 in the next 5 minutes. Pillar 1. Stop being the executor. Become the AI orchestrator. Here's what's dying. Consultants who manually research markets, analyze data in spreadsheets, and build PowerPoint decks. AI agents do this in minutes, not weeks. Watch this. I'm giving an AI agent a market analysis task that used to take a consultant 3 days. Context. Role. Specific task. The CRIT method I taught you last week. 45 seconds. 3 pages. Competitive landscape. Market sizing. Strategic recommendations. What a junior consultant bills $2,000 for. But here's the shift. The winning consultant doesn't do the analysis. They orchestrate the AI agent, then add the strategic layer AI can't provide. Client context, political dynamics, implementation roadblocks. The human insight that turns data into decisions. If you're still the one doing the work, you're competing with AI on speed and cost. You'll lose. If you're orchestrating AI and adding strategic judgment, you're 10 times faster than your competitors and irreplaceable. Pillar 2. Move from low-touch delivery to high-touch advisory. Most consultants sell deliverables, market research reports, financial models, strategic plans. All of these are now AI-generated commodities. And when something becomes a commodity, prices collapse. Why pay a consultant $10,000 for a strategic plan when an AI agent delivers it for $20 a month? The consultants surviving are moving up market into high-touch advisory. They're not selling documents, they're selling transformation partnerships. Here's what this looks like. Instead of delivering a market entry strategy document, you become the fractional chief strategy officer, guiding the entire market entry over 6 months. Weekly strategy sessions, real-time decision support, board presentation coaching, crisis navigation, the economics flip. A one-time 10K deliverable becomes a 15K per month retainer, and AI can't replace the trust, judgment, and handholding that CEOs need when making bet-the-company decisions. AI delivers documents. Humans deliver transformation. Position yourself as the transformation partner, not the document factory. Pillar 3. Position as the AI thought partner, not the AI technician. Here's the opportunity everyone's missing. Your clients are drowning in AI tools. ChatGPT, Claude, Jasper, Midjourney, hundreds of automation platforms. They don't need more tools. They need someone to tell them which tools to use and how to use them strategically. This is where you become the AI thought partner. You're not building the automations. You're not writing the prompts. You're the strategic advisor, helping clients understand where AI creates leverage in their specific business. Let me show you. A coaching client wants to scale without hiring. Instead of building their automation, I use the CRIT framework to help them think through the strategy. I orchestrate AI to interview them about their business model, bottlenecks, and growth goals. Then AI generates a custom AI implementation roadmap. I review it, add my strategic judgment, and deliver the plan. They get a 50-page AI transformation strategy in 48 hours instead of 3 weeks. I'm 10x faster. My margins are higher because AI did the heavy lifting. And the client sees me as the AI expert guiding their transformation, not just another consultant. Guide the strategy. Let AI execute. That's the thought partner model. So here's your action plan. Pick one pillar. This week, test one survival strategy. Orchestrate AI for a client deliverable. Pitch one high-touch advisory engagement. Or position yourself as an AI thought partner in your next sales conversation. The 80% who get replaced, they're the ones waiting. The 20% who survive, they're adapting right now. Which group are you in? If you want the exact CRIT framework I used in those AI demos, watch this video next. It's the prompt method that makes you 10x faster than your competition. I'll see you there.